Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2007. So the link is given in the below the description box. Open the link and download Office 2007 and click on download, and I already downloaded, so I'm cancelling it. And download it. Where did you download it? And open downloads and Office 2007, extract here, or you can extract where do you want to extract, and wait for a minute. I think it will extract fast as usual. Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, yeah, it is completed. Open Office 2007. Okay. uh, okay, Office 2007, and click on key and copy the text and open setup and paste and click on continue, and I'll pause the video. I have finished the download installing Microsoft Office 2007, and click on all programs and open Microsoft Office. Oh, it is not opening. I think I need to refresh and click okay, and click on all programs. Yeah, it is working. Click on PowerPoint. Yeah, it is working. Thanks for watching our video, and please subscribe our channel if you like this video.